Hey there, stargazers! Whether you're a seasoned astronomer or just someone who loves to gaze up at the night sky, there's always something magical about the cosmos. The twinkling stars, the vast expanse of the universe, and the mysteries that lie beyond our reach have always fascinated humanity. Neil deGrasse Tyson here, your friendly neighborhood astrophysicist, ready to take you on a journey from the vastness of space to the glittering depths of our own planet. You might know me from my talks about black holes, galaxies, and the wonders of the universe, but today, we're shifting our focus a bit closer to home. Forget about black holes and supernovas for a second. Today, we're talking about something equally captivating: high-value stones. These gems have been cherished throughout history, not just for their beauty, but also for their rarity and the stories they tell. From the depths of the earth, these stones have made their way into our lives, symbolizing wealth, power, and even love. We're talking about the kind of bling that makes rappers write songs and royalty wage wars. Diamonds, rubies, emeralds, and sapphires have adorned the crowns of kings and queens, been the subject of heists, and even sparked international intrigue. These stones are more than just pretty baubles. They are pieces of history, each with its own unique journey. These aren't your average pebbles you find on the sidewalk. No, these are treasures formed under immense pressure and heat, deep within the Earth's crust. Over millions of years, these conditions create the perfect environment for these gems to form, making each one a marvel of natural engineering. These are the crown jewels of the mineral kingdom, each one a unique masterpiece billions of years in the making. Take the Koh-i-Noor diamond for example, a gem with a history as rich as its sparkle, or the Burmese ruby, known for its deep, blood-red hue. Each of these stones has a story to tell, a journey from the heart of the earth to the hands of humans. So, buckle up, space cadets, as we delve into the fascinating world of high-value stones. Just like our journeys through space, exploring these gems will take us on an adventure through time and history. We'll uncover the science behind their formation, the art of their cutting, and the legends that surround them. We'll explore what makes them so special, from their rarity to their breathtaking beauty. Why is a diamond considered a girl's best friend? What makes an emerald's green so enchanting? And how do sapphires get their stunning blue color? These questions and more will be answered as we dive deep into the world of gemstones. Get ready to have your mind blown, not by the cosmos this time, but by the dazzling wonders beneath our feet. From the mines where these gems are unearthed to the showcases where they are displayed, we'll follow their journey and discover the incredible processes that bring these stones from the depths of the earth to the height of human admiration. So, stay tuned and let's embark on this glittering adventure together. Let's face it, humans have a thing for exclusivity. We crave the unique, the one-of-a-kind, the stuff that makes our neighbors go, "Whoa, where'd you get that?" And nothing screams exclusive quite like a high-value stone. Think about it, diamonds, rubies, emeralds, they're rare because the conditions to create them are rarer than an honest politician. We're talking intense pressure, extreme heat, and a whole lot of time. It's like baking the perfect souffle, but instead of 30 minutes, it takes Mother Nature millions of years. And just like that elusive perfect souffle, finding a high-value stone is a big deal. It's like stumbling upon a unicorn in a haystack, except instead of a mythical creature, you've got a rock that could buy you a small island. Okay, so we know rarity is a big deal, but it's not the only factor that makes a stone worthy of a king's ransom. Rarity certainly plays a significant role, but there are other crucial elements that contribute to a gemstone's high value. Let's dive deeper into what makes a stone truly exceptional and highly sought after. A high-value stone has to have the whole package: beauty, durability, and a certain je ne sais quoi that makes it stand out from the crowd. Beauty is often the first thing that catches the eye. The way a gemstone sparkles and shines can captivate anyone who looks at it. But beauty alone isn't enough. Durability is equally important because a gemstone needs to withstand the test of time. It should be able to endure daily wear and tear without losing its luster. Think of it like this: a diamond might be a girl's best friend, but it's gotta be one sparkly, well-cut friend. The cut of a diamond is what brings out its brilliance. A well-cut diamond reflects light in such a way that it creates a dazzling display of sparkle and fire. It's this interplay of light that makes a diamond so mesmerizing. Clarity, carat, cut, and color. These are the 4 C's that determine a diamond's value. Each of these factors plays a crucial role in assessing the quality and worth of a diamond. Clarity refers to the absence of internal flaws or inclusions. The fewer the inclusions, the higher the clarity grade, and consequently the higher the value. Carat weight measures the size of the diamond. Larger diamonds are rarer and therefore more valuable. Cut, as mentioned earlier, affects the diamond's brilliance. A well-cut diamond will reflect light beautifully, enhancing its overall appearance. Finally, color is graded on a scale from D, colorless, to Z, light yellow or brown. Colorless diamonds are the most valuable because they allow the most light to pass through, creating a stunning sparkle. And it's not just diamonds. Every high-value stone has its own set of criteria. Different gemstones have different characteristics that determine their value. For example, emeralds are prized for their rich green color, while sapphires are valued for their deep blue hue. Each type of gemstone has unique qualities that make it special. Take rubies, for example. A ruby's worth is all about its color. The most valuable rubies are those with a deep, vibrant red color, often referred to as pigeon's blood red. This intense color is what sets high-quality rubies apart from the rest. The more intense and vibrant the red, the more valuable it is. Rubies with a strong, vivid red color are highly sought after and can command high prices in the market. The color of a ruby is influenced by the presence of chromium in the stone, which gives it that rich red hue. And then there's the cut, which can make or break a stone's brilliance. The cut of a gemstone determines how well it reflects light. A well-cut gemstone will have precise angles and proportions that maximize its brilliance and sparkle. On the other hand, a poorly cut gemstone will appear dull and lifeless, even if it has good color and clarity. A well-cut stone is like a disco ball, reflecting light in all directions. When a gemstone is expertly cut, it can create a stunning display of light and color, captivating anyone who looks at it. This is why the cut is such an important factor in determining a gemstone's value. It's the cut that brings out the stone's true beauty and makes it shine. In addition to the 4 C's and the unique characteristics of each gemstone, there are other factors that can influence a stone's value. For example, the origin of the gemstone can play a significant role. Gemstones from certain locations are considered more valuable due to their rarity and the quality of stones found in those regions. For instance, Burmese rubies and Kashmir sapphires are highly prized for their exceptional color and quality. Historical significance can also add to a gemstone's value. Gemstones that have a rich history or have been owned by famous individuals can command higher prices. These stones carry a sense of legacy and prestige that makes them even more desirable to collectors and enthusiasts. Certification and documentation are also important. A gemstone that comes with a certificate of authenticity and a detailed report of its characteristics is more likely to be valued higher. These documents provide assurance to buyers about the quality and authenticity of the stone. Ultimately, the value of a gemstone is determined by a combination of all these factors. It's the interplay of rarity, beauty, durability, cut, color, clarity, carat weight, origin, historical significance, and certification that makes a gemstone truly high value. When all these elements come together, they create a gemstone that is not only beautiful, but also highly prized and valuable. So the next time you come across a stunning gemstone, remember that there's more to its value than meets the eye. It's a combination of many factors that make it truly special and worthy of admiration. Speaking of rubies, let's talk about these fiery beauties for a second. Rubies have captivated human imagination for centuries, and it's not hard to see why. Their intense red color and brilliant sparkle make them one of the most sought-after gemstones in the world. But there's so much more to rubies than just their stunning appearance. Rubies get their red color from, get this, chromium. This element is responsible for the vibrant red hue that makes rubies so distinctive. When chromium atoms replace aluminum atoms in the crystal structure of the mineral corundum, the result is the fiery red gemstone we know and love. That's right, the same stuff you find in shiny car parts. Chromium is a versatile element used in everything from car parts to stainless steel. But in the world of gemstones, its role is truly magical. The presence of chromium not only gives rubies their color but also contributes to their fluorescence, making them glow under ultraviolet light. But don't let that fool you. Rubies are anything but ordinary. These gemstones have a rich history and cultural significance that spans across different civilizations. In ancient India, rubies were considered the king of gems, and were believed to protect their wearer from harm. In medieval Europe, they were thought to bring good fortune and health. The most prized rubies come from Myanmar, formerly known as Burma. This Southeast Asian country has been the source of some of the finest rubies ever discovered. The Mogok Valley in Myanmar is particularly famous for producing rubies with exceptional color and clarity. These Burmese rubies have a specific shade of red, a rich pigeon's blood red that's highly sought after by collectors. This term, pigeon's blood, refers to the deep, vivid red color with a hint of blue, reminiscent of the first 2 drops of blood from a freshly killed pigeon. It's a poetic and somewhat gruesome description, but it perfectly captures the allure of these gemstones. It's like the difference between a regular pepperoni pizza and one made with that fancy San Marzano tomato sauce. Just as the quality of ingredients can elevate a simple dish to gourmet status, the unique color and quality of Burmese rubies set them apart from other rubies. But here's the kicker. Burmese rubies are becoming rarer than a sober night in Vegas. The mines in Myanmar are depleting, and finding new sources of high-quality rubies is becoming increasingly difficult. This scarcity is driving up the value of these already precious gemstones. The mines are drying up, which means the price of these red-hot gems is only going up. As supply dwindles and demand remains high, the value of Burmese rubies continues to soar. Collectors and investors are willing to pay top dollar for these rare gems, making them a sound investment for the future. So, if you've got a Burmese ruby lying around, congrats, you're holding onto a piece of history and a hefty chunk of change. These gemstones are not just beautiful to look at, they are also a testament to the Earth's geological processes and human craftsmanship. Whether you're a collector, an investor, or simply an admirer of fine gemstones, a Burmese ruby is a treasure worth cherishing.